Hey guys, I bought this pressure washer off of eBay. If you'll notice a video I had about a week or so ago, my electric pressure washer stopped working and I took it apart and see what was in it. That's the third electric pressure washer that I had bought over the years. They generally last about 2 years. But I need one around here because I have this concrete that during the winter gets really funky. My wife actually fell down there last winter. It got so slimy. And I've got the vinyl siding on the house that gets green during the winter. So I kind of need a pressure washer. This one is a Honda, and it's 3100 maximum PSI. The electric ones were generally about 900 was all. So I generally don't like to order stuff off of eBay that's mechanical or electrical. But I thought, well, this one was $200, I'd give it a shot. Pretty nice outfit. Comes with a hose and different spray attachments. Has a lot of warnings on it about not using it without water hooked up to it. Always remove all the water from it by running the gas out of it before you put it up, and cranking it 6 times to get all the water out of it. But like I said, ordered it on eBay. They had this pretty much the same thing at Lowe's. I looked down there before I ordered it, and it was $389, and it was only 28 maximum PSI. So, pretty easy to operate, on and off, and that ring there's a choke. I have started it. It starts real easy. Okay, there was the box it came in. I had one problem right off the bat though. This cover that goes on the front was broke in shipping. I glued it back together there, letting it sit for about 48 hours. It may or may not stay together. It goes down here where the hookups are at. Actually, with it not on there, it's no big deal. The little legs that sit on the ground are on this, but I could probably make something, and put down there. So that's not a big deal, if it holds up. But there you go. I'm gonna try it out here in a little while. But it does run just fine, easy to start. So, thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, and I'll let you know if I have any problem with this later on. If you have any questions or comments, I don't mind answering them. Thanks for watching. I'm going to connect everything up. You notice there I got the water hose connected to the front of it. Gun here, you have to screw this pipe on it here. pick whichever nozzle you want to use. I'll just use the one that says general use. It snaps into the end of here. Okay. Unstrap the hose here. And it screws into the front. Untangled here. Get it onto the gun. It said to always keep Vaseline on all these connections all the time. Keep the seals from going bad. Okay. Let's see how much gas I've got in here. Got a little bit, maybe it's enough. You can turn the gas on here. I've already got the switch on. And I don't know whether I need to choke it or not. I'll give it a try. Well, as you can see there, it does a kick-ass job. Way better than that electric one. It pretty well knocks everything off. So maybe I got a good deal on it. If something happens later on, I'll come back here and report on it. But it starts real easy. If you noticed there, I forgot to turn the water on. It said in the manual that never run it without water turned on. You know, but maybe it didn't hurt it just for that little bit. But I had to go over and turn the water on. It really didn't work straight off. Okay, well, I'm going to finish up this house here, and like I say, I'll report back if there's ever a problem. And when I did put that cover on that I glued, that was broke. See if you can see it there. The plastic cover. It's probably just as well if you didn't even have it, but it did go back on there. Seemed like it glued back together just fine. But that's the only problem I had. That cover was broke when I received it. And I glued it back with some silicone glue. All right, there it is. See you later. Maybe be sure to subscribe, and I'm always doing something. Thanks for watching.